Change the way you work with just the touch of a button. This commercial-grade standing desk was designed with a steel frame and stability crossbar to be fully stable at any height. And with our easy-to-attach legs, assembly takes less than 5 minutes, saving you time and money. A programmable LED control panel lets you easily raise your desk to your preferred height, allowing you to find just the right fit up to 50.5 inches high. And a quiet, powerful motor lets you go from sitting to standing smoothly and easily. Plus, we've included an easily accessible cable management tray to keep your cables and cords organized. The ProDesk 60 Electric comes in several heavy-duty finishes that can suit any style. Plus, it's constructed with commercial-grade materials, so it's built to last. It can be done in less than 5 minutes. In the large box, you'll find the desktop and stabilizing steel crossbar. Along the metal track, you'll see slots and stickers to help position the legs. Match the stickers on the metal track with the corresponding leg and slide it into place. Once both legs have been set in place, find the included bolts and hex tool. On each side, secure 2 bolts from the outside of the frame to the leg, tighten till firm. Next, snap the wiring harness together for each leg. While the desk is still upside down, slide the cable management tray into place. Grab some help and flip the desk over. If your floor isn't level, rotate the foot levelers. Plug it in and you're almost ready to get to work. On the first use, start by holding the up and down arrows at the same time until the desk pulses up and down. You're now ready to raise it. Start by going all the way up. This will give you space to install the last piece, the crossbar. Set it in place and use the included mallet to tap it down, alternating sides until it's flush with the red line on the sticker. To set your programmable memory settings, simply raise or lower the desk to the height you want it to remember. Then press the S button to put the desk in save mode. Once the display is blinking, press the number 1, 2, or 3 that you'd like to assign to that desk height. You can also customize the lowest height setting to your preference by pressing the S button, then the 1 button, until the screen displays the letter L. Now your desk won't go lower than that height. That's it, your desk is ready to go.